Hello, and welcome to VRVagabond, a new and unique virtual travel channel. And now, for this inaugural video, I'll be taking you along on a virtual hike, a hike through stunning Bushkill Falls, located in the Pocono Mountains of Northeastern Pennsylvania. Beginning at the Visitors Center, we will be hiking the Red Trail, heading upstream towards Pocono Falls, the first of many falls on this multi-part virtual hike. So, let's get started. Looking ahead, you can see the beginning of the trail. Below and to our left, is Bushkill Creek. Bushkill Creek is a spring-fed mountain stream that descends through this narrow valley, as it heads towards the Delaware River. Now as you can see, we've zoomed down the trail approximately 30 yards, or meters. This is how we will be progressing throughout our hike, a technique that will allow you to enjoy relaxing moments along the trail. So, sit back and enjoy the scenery as we move along. Up ahead is a scenic overlook. We will be stopping there, and you will be able to see Bushkill Creek, far below. Now we begin our descent into the valley. Notice the hillside, covered in thick moss and ferns. The predominant trees are hemlock and pine, along with sporadic oak and birch trees. Before the arrival of Europeans, this area was home to the Delaware Indians. Imagine, if you would, long ago this area possibly being an open meadow. A Delaware Indian village peacefully situated along the stream. Children playing in the crystal clear water. I sincerely hope you've enjoyed this first part of this virtual hike. Please join me for part 2, as we continue our way towards Pocono Falls, and eventually to the main falls.